Every piece of KFC fried chicken begins long before it reaches the kitchen. Here, controlled environments ensure healthy growth from day one. Daily inspections protect quality before processing even begins. Nutrition is precisely measured at every stage. Clean water supports consistent, healthy growth. Technology quietly maintains the perfect balance. Fresh air keeps the environment stable and calm.
Light rhythms guide natural development.
Uniform growth ensures predictable processing. Strict biosecurity protects the entire chain. Preparation begins for the next journey. Every container meets strict standards.
Logistics align with precision timing.
Coordination keeps stress low and efficiency high. From farm to facility, the process moves forward.
Transport begins under carefully controlled conditions.
Every movement is designed to minimize stress.
Stability ensures safety on the road.
Timing and temperature now matter most. Distance is covered with constant monitoring.
Security protects food integrity.
Precision continues on arrival.
This is where raw supply meets industrial precision.
Every zone is designed for controlled flow.
Movement begins the moment systems align.
Human coordination guides mechanical rhythm.
Contamination is stopped at every threshold.
Consistency begins with people. Preparation prevents disruption.
The factory is fully alive. Every piece begins with a meticulous clean. Water and precision ensure purity from the start.
Human eyes catch what machines cannot.
Water and precision ensure purity from the start.
Excess moisture is removed before inspection.
Excess moisture is removed before inspection.
Automation supports human judgment.
Precision rinsing preserves texture and quality.
Flow never stops from this point forward.
Sanitation is continuous, not optional.
Preparation for flavor begins here.
Clean, sorted, and ready for transformation.
This is where flavor engineering truly begins. Precision ensures flavor reaches every fiber. Time and motion work together. Nothing is left to chance.
Flavor is now locked in.
Balance is essential before breading.
Werkt aan zijn ERC's, laat ik geen spring start.
The foundation of texture is applied.
Consistency defines every batch. Layers create the signature crunch.
Layers create the signature crunch.
Human touch refines automation.
Technology verifies every detail. The next stage brings heat and transformation. Exact heat is critical. Transformation is moments away. Heat activates the transformation. Texture forms in seconds. Time and temperature stay perfectly synchronized.
The signature crunch is born.
Clean oil preserves flavor integrity.
Visual checks confirm uniform cooking.
The transformation is complete.
Consistency defines modern production. Automation now takes the lead. Precision replaces randomness. Decisions happen in milliseconds. Cleanliness is built into the system. Stability protects the entire chain. The final refinements are next. The final refinements are next. Excess is removed. Structure preserved. Crunch is allowed to settle. Consistency is verified instantly. Precision is measurable.
Approval happens in seconds.
The end is clearly in sight. Refinement meets readiness. Verification is the final safeguard. Quality is proven, not assumed. Yeah. Results arrive faster than ever.
Flavor is scientifically evaluated.
The final stage turns food into a product. Packaging begins with precision. Portions are matched perfectly. Human eyes confirm the finish.
Freshness is locked in.
Every box tells its story. Accuracy is confirmed one last time. Individual meals become shipments. Efficiency scales upward. Individual meals become shipments. Protection continues beyond the line. Storage preserves readiness. Distribution begins immediately. The journey continues beyond these walls.
And this is how modern factories produce KFC fried chicken from start to finish.
From precision to people.
Industry feeds the world.